TKDialogs allows users to develop and maintain logic-driven user interfaces for Microsoft Dynamics CRM. These simple user interfaces are ideal for any front-end CRM user, but particularly in customer services, sales, and general admin roles. This video shows TKDialogs being used in a local government citizen contact centre. You will see some key functionality, such as suspending a call and then returning later to the position where the call was suspended, linking to other websites such as payment engines, and generating XML documents. In this instance, the dialog screen has been split into two panels. The panel on the left contains the main dialog content, and the panel on the right provides links to other information such as supporting dialogs, other websites, or other applications. The citizen wishes to have a bulky item of waste collected. The agent can identify the correct dialog or process by drop-down list or by keyword search. The agent now needs to identify the citizen by searching in CRM. Note that only the necessary citizen data is displayed, not the whole record. Now that we have selected the correct citizen, the screen is partially populated. In this instance, the left-hand panel contains both the citizen name and a searchable grid showing previous cases. The right-hand panel is now being used to show other details in a tabulated form, and these can be modified. At the bottom of the screen, we have an input box for capturing a national insurance number. This is watermarked to display the correct format, and entries are validated against this. The agent now has to collect some further details before progressing to make a payment. Unfortunately, the citizen has not got all the relevant information to hand, so the transaction has to be suspended, but all data is saved and the call can be resumed later. When the citizen calls back, and after being identified as the original caller, the system recognizes that there is a suspended call. The agent now has the option to resume or start another call. Having selected Resumed Call, the agent is returned to the exact position where the previous call was suspended, and can now continue the process by selecting a collection date provided from a third-party scheduling engine and filling in the other required details. The agent is now in a position to take a payment, so all the relevant details are automatically transferred to a third-party payment site. When payment is complete, the payment engine returns a message to TKDialogs, the process is resumed, and this transaction can now be completed. At this time, the citizen could request another service or the call could be closed. Note that throughout this process, the agent has never actually seen CRM. All the work was done through TKDialogs. Back in CRM, all the relevant records have been created and linked where appropriate. A service appointment has been created for the collection, and this has been linked to the case and contact records. In addition, an XML document has been created, which could be used for integration with other applications. Statistics have been gathered on all dialogues that have been run, how often, how long the call has lasted, and the reason for any abandonment. So in summary, we have seen TKDialogs' logic-driven user interface lead the agent through the correct business process following best practice. We have also shown how TKDialogs can handle suspended transactions, transferring to third-party websites, and creation of XML documents. For further information on TKDialogs or our graphical workflow design tool, TK Process Builder, please contact me, Joe Cassidy, on joe.cassidy@teamknowledge.co.uk.